Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem from the bi-weekly contest 32. So the problem title is kth missing positive number. So what is given in this problem? So basically we are given an input array which are having the integer values in a ascending order, and another integer variable is given as a k. So what we have to do is we have to find the kth positive integer that is missing from the array. So let's take an example, so it will be better to explain and understand. So here this is an input array which is having the values 2, 3, 4, 7, 11, and the k is given as a 5. So if we start from this, so if we consider like let's say the first number, if we start the series from the 1, because in the constraint it is given as the values will be in the range of so the value can be in the range of 1 to 1000 for this array, and it can go beyond that if the kth value is higher than that. If the number is not present in that list, so it can be higher than those values as well. So here we can see in the first, like 1 is missing, then the 5 is missing, then 6 is also missing, then 8, 9, 10. So these are some of the numbers. So but if we see like the first one is 1, then the second is 5, third is 6, then fourth is 8, and the fifth number is 9. So that's why the output is 9 over here. Okay, so if we take as an example 2, so here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is out of bound range bound missing number case. So here the k is 2, but if we see from 1 to 4 is already present, then the next number can be the fifth, but it is like the first missing number. For the second missing number is 6, so that's why the output is 6. So I hope the description part is very much clear now. So let's see the solution for this. So here what I am doing over here is, here we are given a function find kth positive function. It accepts an integer array as an input, another variable is integer k. Okay, and it expects the output type is integer. So what I am doing is, here I am creating a dictionary or the hash set over here. First I am iterating through this whole array, and I am inserting all the values from that array to my set or my dictionary. After that what I am doing is, here I am starting my loop from 1, and I am the base condition, the condition is I have to iterate through this loop as long as the kth number is goes to k value goes to 0, because there can be number of there can be multiple missing numbers, but I want the last value, that is if k is equal to 5, then I don't want the values which are at the k is equal to 1, k is equal to 2, or and so on. I want the value which is coming when the k becomes 0, or when it reaches to that particular position. Okay, so here what I am doing is, first thing I am checking whether this I value, that is in this case the first is 1, whether it is a present. If it is present, then I just have to continue it. If it is not present, then I can mark that number in this variable j as a missing number. So but again I am checking if my k is I am decrementing the k value. So next time again it will keep on performing the same operation, and I will come to the point where I have found the values up to the given k value, and that is my last case. And at that particular time it will come out of this for loop, and I have already stored the value of j, so I will just return that j value over here. So this way I will get the kth missing number. So let me run this program and let me show you the output. Okay, so we have got the accepted result over here, and let's see the test coverage part. So here it has passed all the 83 test cases over here. So that's it for now. And if you want the solution of this program, so you can check out the description section. I have uploaded the GitHub link for over there. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.